You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from South Korean, meaning older brother, if you're looking at how to say older sister as well, which is also very popular in the world of music in South Korea. So in Korean it's said as oppa, oppa. Yeah, really, it's couldn't be any easier, I would say. Oppa, oppa is how it's said in Korean. So in English, oppa, you can say. It's easy to say oppa, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.